Okay, so this is 2143 Stennis Drive here in Pensacola, Florida. It's a really nice subdivision. You can see all the homes are well kept. They have great outside appeal. The lawns are maintained, nice landscaping. And this is an HOA neighborhood, but the HOA is only like $130 per year. There's really no amenities, but just gonna ensure that the properties stay in good condition, look nice. Another good advantage of this subdivision is its own sewer. So this house has no septic system. It's all brick, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, over 2,400 square feet of living space. That's not including the garage, that's living space. It's built in 2000, so it was built in 2006, so it's 18 years old. Okay, here's your backyard. Not really much to it, but not a lot of upkeep. You could always do something here on the back, add on, build another patio, do something. But so let's go take a look inside. Before we do, you're gonna see some wood rot, which is typical. If somebody's financing this property and the loan requires a WDO, that's your pest inspection, termite inspection, this house will fail just because of that wood rot. So that wood rot would have to be repaired if financing and the loan requires you to have a clear WDO. So you're gonna see really the inside. It's gonna need flooring and paint. I mean, that's the two probably biggest items I see. And it's dated. So this is original. Nothing's been updated in this house. From the appliances, kitchen cabinets, flooring, it's all original. But it's not in bad shape. The cabinets and countertops are in good shape. Appliances need to go, need to be replaced. The walls aren't beat up. Some of this carpet, you could actually have it clean and it'd be fine. But nobody wants vinyl anymore, it's just dated. So here's a bonus room. Here's, I guess, your first bedroom. And you've got some carpet stains and stuff. But we already said the carpet's got to be replaced. You're gonna have to have all new paint. You have to paint some of these doors. Here's your master bedroom. You've got 2 bathrooms in here. You've got one with a stand-up shower. Both of them have walk-in closets, nice size. You got a stand-up shower. I mean, this is all builder grade stuff. Got a couple missing doorknobs. This one has a garden tub, but there's no jets, so you could definitely spend some money and upgrade these bathrooms, make them real nice. And that's probably one of the worst things about this house is the size. It's not gonna be cheap to do all this. That's one reason why this bank seller won't do it, because it's gonna cost way too much money. To them, it's just not worth it. Now, let me go ahead and point out, this is the inside HVAC unit. It's gas. I don't know if it works yet or not. The gas is in the process of being connected. One thing about this house that I have found out, this house hasn't been lived in at least over 7 years. At least 7 years. And we know that for a fact because, of course, neighbors and the gas company disconnected the gas to this house. I mean, they disconnected the pipes back in 2017. Okay, so this is your 4th bedroom. Like I said, so far really carpet and paint. Here's your guest bath. Like I said, it's not in bad shape. It's not beat up. If you rented this house, you wouldn't even have to touch anything, really. Just paint it. Here's your builder grade shower tub combo. Let me show you the garage. It also has an inside laundry room and a large 2-car garage. Now there's no garage door opener. You can see they had converted this room into like a gym. They had a lot of weights and stuff in here when I first came out here. And I don't know why they didn't remove this carpet. I wish they would have, but they didn't. And here's another issue, is the hot water heater. The hot water tank, even though it probably functions fine, it's over 15 years of age. This is original to the house. House is 18 years old. That hot water heater, according to the manufacturer date, is over 15 years of age. So that's gonna need to be replaced for homeowners insurance. If you get a 4-point inspection on this house, which covers the roof, the AC, the plumbing, and the electrical, it's gonna fail the plumbing just because of the hot water heater. In Florida, you can't really have a hot water tank over 15 years of age and pass inspections and get good, decent insurance. So this house has been on the market for, I guess, about a week now. And unfortunately, there have been a couple of offers, but they've been so low. It's really ridiculous low that's not even worth writing the offers. But of course, they were just rejected outright. And the house is listed right now, originally for $295. And honestly, that is a little bit on the high side. But one thing about it, it's a foreclosure. They'll keep reducing the price until it gets low enough where somebody buys it. And this house will make a really nice house for somebody. I mean, if you're in the military and have anything to do with NAS, Pensacola, it's only a few miles right down the road. There's your outside AC unit. So we've got over 2,400 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2006, on sewer, all brick, all circuit breakers, all copper wiring. The biggest issues I see: it needs flooring, it needs paint, it needs appliances at a minimum, just to rent it. More than likely, it's gonna need a new hot water heater for insurance. And the roof. The roof's gonna be one thing. It's gonna be a 50-50 in my opinion. Some insurance companies aren't gonna like it because it's 18 years old. Some might let it go, but it could be an issue, and it could be an issue in a couple years down the road for some buyers. They're gonna be forced to replace it. And a roof this size, I mean, you're looking probably 15 plus. Okay, that'll wrap up this tour. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll be glad to answer. As always, I really appreciate it. And, if you need help here in Pensacola area, Northwest Florida, just give me a call, send me an email. I'll be glad to help. And if you have any questions about foreclosures, investment properties, buying or selling, also hit me up. I'll be glad to help. As always, thanks. Have a great day.